Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Chef Gayan. Today I'm going to teach you how to make umali. We need 1 liter milk, sugar 200 grams, roasted almond 300 grams, roasted pistachio 300 grams, whipping cream 400 milliliters, rose water 50 grams, icing sugar 100 grams, croissant, bread, or baked puff pastry 600 grams. The milk and sugar into the boil. Reduce the flame and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes, stirring continuously. Remove from flame and pour this over the crumbled croissant. Put almond, pistachio and rose water. Sit for about 10 minutes, then mixture put into baking dish. Whipped cream with icing sugar. Cover the surface of mixture with layer of whipped cream. Bake at 180 Celsius for about 30 minutes till brown. Decorate, top it with remaining nuts, and serve hot. If you took something from this video, please like, comments, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video, and we will meet soon with next video.